I want him to you now, missus. Make you shake up and grip yourself. So what do you? Me bex, man. Me bex bad. And if Bob ever know how bex me be right now, he not even want to come cross back in my yard. Oh? Cynthia, what Bob do you know? Because I know say Bob a nice, decent, hardworking man. What Bob do you? Imagine he say, he ma go hustle some things. For me and the pitney them and he ma come. Buy grocery car come in at the house. When buy car come? 2 tin of mackerel. 2 pound of rice. 2 pound of sugar. And big jilla oil. Where am I go with that? Where am I go with that? You ever see the girl down there so? What's she name again? Macy. You ever see the things them for her husband buy for her? I be a steak and there's something there she a eat down there. Where him a go with tin mackerel? Oh. So you one of them to watch people life and match up. Don't do it. You see the girl down the road? You see for her husband? Him a scammer. You see every bite a chicken and steak that the lady they put in her mouth, people are holla feed because of people money. So you see that the money there, that the man they no work for it, you know put out no effort for it. And different people work for that. You see your husband, Bob, that the man they work hard for money. He might little, he might can only buy a tin of mackerel, but he work hard. So let me tell you something. The lady down there, so husband might take out $100,000 and put it there so out of the $500,000 we have. And Bob might take out $5 out of the $10 we have and give you. Bob money work more. Anything where Bob do work more. Because Bob work hard. Even though a little more effort in the money where him give you than the whole heap of money where my man, scammer man down this so give wife. You hear me? Appreciate what you have. It might be little, but a whole heap of effort put in it. If you reach to that the amount, if you can buy this, if you make you happy. Appreciate it, Cynthia. Appreciate it. It's not the amount. It's the effort that him put in. Just forget it, bring it to you. And that you feel look pan, girl. I know when me look into it, me feel bad, yeah, man. I just be grateful for my husband and forgive me until better can come, yeah, man. Chano.